Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to generate and share QR code in WhatsApp. So if you want to gain more followers in your WhatsApp channel, then you want to open WhatsApp first of all. Now let's go to section updates at the bottom side of the screen, and now let's open channels. It doesn't really matter if you use Android device or iOS device, it works pretty much the same across all these devices, so just follow my steps and I'm sure you will get that. So at the top of the screen you should see this link icon. At least on iPhones there is this icon, but if you do not see it, then you have to tap your name at the very top of the screen, and then if you tap on share button, you will see select QR code option. But I have here my link icon, so I will press it, and here I can see option QR code, so I will tap it, and WhatsApp instantly generated my channel's unique and scannable code that I can save in order to share it with someone. So I can send this to another application. I can save it as photo, or I can send it to my friends, for example. But if I use save image, I can later share it in my social media, or I can do physical printouts, stuff like that. And this way you can get more followers in WhatsApp channel. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.